Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem codes in Clash Royale. Redeeming codes is straightforward, but keep in mind it only works during special events. When a promo is active, head into your in-game settings where a redeem code button will appear. Enter the code exactly as shown, tap confirm, and your rewards, whether it's gold, gems, or magic items, will be added instantly. If you don't see the button, it simply means no event is live at the moment. Another method is through the official Supercell store. Just log in with your Supercell ID, scroll down to the redeem code. The rewards will then arrive directly in your in game mailbox. There are also creator boost codes, which don't unlock rewards themselves, but let you support your favorite streamers and YouTubers. So whenever you see a new event, promo, or bundle, check if a redeem code is available. It's one of the easiest way to snag extra goodies in Clash Royale. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.